Hello students, how are you today? Welcome to a new class. We are going to work on the unit number 2, a new pet. You have the lesson number 15 and the aim today is to ask questions about pets and practice the sound of the letter R. Today you're going to work on page number 21 from your student book and page number 16 from your activity book. Now let's go to page number 21. There, you are going to practice the sound of the letter R, for example, in the words rabbit and room. So now you have to listen, look, and say a tongue twister. Ricky Rabbit runs round and round the room.
Ricky Rabbit runs round and round the room. Ricky Rabbit runs round and round the room. Ricky Rabbit runs round and round the room.
Now let's watch the next video to learn more about the sound of the letter R. Pay attention.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter R. This is a capital R. This is a lowercase r. You know how the R looks now. Let's make the letter R sound. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Yes! R is for red. R is for robot. R is for rocket ship. R is for run. R is for rose. R is for rainbow. You know some R words now. Let's make the letter R sound. Ra, 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 ra. Your turn. Ra, 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 ra. Ah!
Now on page number 16 from your activity book, we have two different activities. We have the activity number 6 and we have the activity number 7. In the activity number 6, you have to read, write, and color the answer. Here we have 1, 2, 3 pictures. In number 1, we have Mary. In number 2, we have Joey. And number 3, we have Kate. And here we have 3 questions. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. And 3 answers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now with your pencil you have to complete the questions. Tenemos que completar las preguntas de acuerdo a este ejemplo. Okay, so number 1. Has Mary got a fish? Si recordamos bien, cuando afirmábamos que Mary tiene, por ejemplo, Mary tiene un conejo, decíamos Mary has got a rabbit. Pero para preguntar si tiene o no alguna mascota en específico, preguntamos Has Mary got a fish? Has Mary got a fish? And according to this picture, the answer is no, she hasn't. So, has Mary got a fish? If you look at this pet, this is not a fish. This is a turtle. So the answer is no, she hasn't. Let's go to number 2. In this case, Joey and the hamster. The question must start with has. Has Joey, and according to this example, the next word is got. And then, if you look at the example again, this is, has Mary got a fish? So in this case, number 2, has Joey got a hamster? And then you have to color with any color if the answer is yes, he has, or no, he hasn't, according to this picture. Remember, has Joey got a hamster? Yes, he has, or no, he hasn't. And in number 3, we have Kate, and in the question, we have Kate and Puppy, and then you have to color yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Finally, we have the activity number 7, where you have to look and write the names. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 children. In number 1, we have John. Number 2, we have Emma. In number 3, we have Robert. And number 4, we have Julie. If you look at the sentences, number 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are talking about pets. So, for example, in number 1, we have has got a kitten. So, you have to write the correct name according to the picture. So, in number 1, the answer is Emma, because Emma has got a kitten. So, now you have to complete number 2, number 3, and number 4 with the names of these children according to the pets. Pay attention to number 4 because it says hasn't got a pet. Hasn't got is negative sentence. Okay, so in number 2, number 3, and number 4 you have to complete with John, Robert, and Julie. So these were the exercises for today. See you later to review your answers and check them out. See you. Goodbye.